Hi, today I will take you step by step through the Dutch public transport system, so you can travel effortlessly through the Netherlands. The most popular way to get around in the Netherlands is by train with NS. They provide most connections between cities and towns. You board at a train station. Every major city has one, though smaller villages usually do not. From the station, you often continue your journey by bus to explore the countryside. In addition to the train, you can also take the metro in Amsterdam, Rotterdam and The Hague. This is especially useful if you want to move around the city. Many Dutch people use an OV chip card, but that is no longer necessary. You can now pay contactless with your debit card or credit card. You can also buy a ticket online via the NS app or on ns.nl. But the easiest way, especially for tourists, is to pay contactless without buying a ticket. Use your contactless debit card, credit card or mobile wallet. Hold your card or phone against the pole or gate at the station to check in, and do the same when checking out at your final station. You do not need a ticket. The payment is processed automatically. Are you only in the Netherlands for a few days, and especially in Amsterdam or Rotterdam? Then a city card for 1, 2 or 3 days, with access to museums, sites and public transport, is a good choice. These cards are mainly available in large cities such as Amsterdam and Rotterdam. You will find the link to this city pass in the description. Public transport in the Netherlands is quite expensive, but there are ways to save. With a subscription or a specific train ticket, you travel with a discount during off-peak hours. The amount of discount you get depends on the time and the type of ticket. The link to all discounts is in the description. As a tourist in the Netherlands, public transport is an easy way to explore the country. These apps will help you on your way. The 9292 app or website, the planner for all public transport, train, tram, bus, metro and ferries. The NS app handy for train journeys with the Dutch railways. Google Maps also works perfectly in the Netherlands for public transport routes. You will receive real-time information about departure times, transfers and walking routes. With these apps you can travel through the Netherlands like a local. Cycling is part of the Dutch experience. Thanks to the flat landscape and the many cycle paths, it is a relaxing way to discover cities and nature. No bike with you? Easily rent one via NS with the OV Fiats. Did you find this video helpful? Give it a like and subscribe for more Netherlands tips.